What's up my friends, this is Aditya Sharma. Today I will tell you how to make intro or animated text through a app in Android phones. So let's start. You will get download link in descriptions. So we will press this play button. So guys, you can see that there is a quarter or some lines. So we will just read it and just write my name, that is Aditya Sharma. Okay, so then we have to click that write and then play button. So you can get there are many form of text like this: daring, lines, display, quarto, dash, etc. So let's try many more like this: display. This is also good. Quarto, this, 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 this also, and many more. So guys, we can also select the type of color we want in it, like this one. You can see that this is also good. This can be, it can be this also, some type of gradient also. Okay guys, so I want to produce this one, so I will just choose the settings, that is format, square or landscape. The format is there, that square, it can be square or it can be landscape. So I will just choose square, and I want the size to be 512, 720 or 1080p. So guys, if you want the video to be in HD, so you can get through 720p, but you want higher resolution, then you can go with 1080p. So let be 1080p and okay. So after a while, just save as video. Now you can see, if we want to save it or share it, we can share it by here, or we can just click it by pressing this right button, and it will come as save as GIF or save as video. So if you want that the video should be this text should be saved as GIF, then you can click on this. But if you want to make intros for the YouTube channel, then you can save it as a video. So I'll just click on it. Then it is saying it building a project as MP4. MP4 means a video only. So guys, just wait for some seconds so that it can be downloaded. You can see that this is also looking good. So here we can see that project save MP4 1080p on a device, so we can view it. Then this is the video going on. You can see this. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it and enjoy it. So